Wouldn't it be cool if, instead of having to buy all the fancy videography equipment, you could simply tell AI your idea and it generates the video for you? One of the best manifestations of AI is text-to-video generators, which have completely revolutionized content creation. The first AI text-to-video generator was released publicly late last year, and since then, many companies have joined the game. In fact, if the current trend continues, it is believed that in just a few years, almost 95% of the content on the internet will be AI generated. So let us give it a go before it becomes mainstream and explore the best AI video generators out there. Runway Gen 3 Alpha. Runway has been a strong competitor in the text-to-video generator game since day one, but they recently released their Gen 3 Alpha, which is nothing short of a revolution. The company defined it on their official website as a new frontier for high-fidelity, controllable video generation. But what does this mean, and what actually sets it apart from other video models? Runway has actually developed a whole new infrastructure, which is specifically for large-scale multimodal training. And Gen 3 Alpha is the first model trained on it, but a new series is on the way. But because of this new infrastructure, Gen 3 Alpha is said to have a huge improvement in terms of fidelity, consistency, and motion over their older Gen 2 models. This is meant to be the first step towards developing general world models, which is defined by Runway as systems that understand the visual world and its dynamics. And we can clearly see how well this model understands real-world dynamics by the videos they have posted on their website that are generated by Gen 3 Alpha itself. For example, in this video, that was generated by the prompt "subtle reflections of a woman on the window of a train moving at hyperspeed in a Japanese city." The details of this video clearly show the capability of this model, because these real-life details, like dynamic lighting, the reflections on the woman's face, and the actual motion details, are something I have not seen any other model do till now. And if I didn't know better, I would never believe this is AI generated. Runway already had existing controls in their video models, like advanced camera controls, director mode, and motion brush, which lets you add motion to a specific part in the video. These are all present in Gen 3 Alpha as well. But to make the videos more real-world-like, Runway has added more tools that give you a better control over the structure, motion, and style of your videos. This means you can be as descriptive as you want about your videos, and also, you will get precise keyframing. You want the video to move dynamically? You got it. You want the video to move at 10x speed? You got it. You want the video to be shot from a specific type of camera or a drone? Yes, you got it. Or do you want your video to have a specific transition? You got that too. One of the most impressive videos for me was this one with the prompt "AFPV drone shot through a castle on a cliff." Another pretty impressive feature of Gen 3 Alpha is generating human creatures with complete real-life expressions, from actions to gestures to emotions. The best example of this feature is this video with the prompt, a macro shot to the face freckles of a young woman trying to look for something, which in my opinion looks like a shot straight out of a movie. Dream Machine. Next up, we have the Dream Machine developed by Luma AI. Initially, Luma Labs was just a text-to-3D generator, but they have recently released their video generator, which is already getting shouts to be the best in the AI world. On their official website, Luma has described Dream Machine as an AI model that makes high-quality, realistic videos fast from text and images. In fact, the part about Dream Machine that got so much attention was the fact that it's not just text to video, but it can also smoothly generate videos from images. But also, when they say high quality, they truly do mean it, as we can see in some of these videos. Another notable feature of Dream Machine is how fast it generates videos, probably the fastest in the industry. 120 frames in 120 seconds is just not something all video generators can do, but Dream Machine promises this speed. But talking about the most impressive feature, Dream Machine's image-to-video feature is quite great, as it ensures that the background and the details of the image stay consistent, like in this following video. The details in this video are impressive, yes, but I'm sure if you notice, there is definitely morphing around her hands. And I don't know about you, but for me, it's a big green flag when companies are transparent about their weaknesses, which is what really impressed me on Dream Machine's official website, when they mentioned that morphing, movement, and text inside a video are still among some of their limitations that they are currently working to improve. KLING. Another powerful AI text-to-video generator that recently joined the game was KLING, which is developed by the Chinese tech giant KuaiShou, which is basically the most successful rival of TikTok. KLING was released right after OpenAI's Sora, which made it among the very first video generators, due to which it caught the world by a storm, and rightfully so. The features definitely are impressive. KLING can generate 2-minute-long videos of 1080p resolution and 30 FPS. Also, it harnesses the immense power of an advanced VAE, or a 3D variational autoencoder, which lets it bring pictures to reality, with movements that are quite smooth. And most importantly, KLING works according to motion laws and physics, which means you can generate real-life dynamic scenes with movement that are awfully accurate, like this demo video on their website. Generated by the prompt, a hand pours milk from a steel whisk into a cup of coffee on a table with a blurred kitchen background. However, one of the most notable features of KLING is their diffusion transformer architecture, which means you can combine different concepts and create fictional concepts like a cat driving a car or this demo video of a giant panda playing guitar by the lake, which is my personal favorite out of all their demo videos. The only issue with KLING, however, is the fact that it's only available as a demo in China yet. That too, through a waitlist. So, if you want to try out the demo, you will need a Chinese phone number and the KuaiShou app, where you can register and apply for a demo. That's the only reason KLING has not gotten as much recognition as the other video generators. But they're releasing it globally soon, so the hype might be increasing quite soon. Google VIDU. When we talk about any new technology or AI advancement, how can we forget the tech giant Google? And of course, Google also joined the Video Generator Club with their very own VIDU, which is a high-definition AI video generator that can create videos with high definition from text, image, or video prompts. According to Google, VIDU can generate videos in 1080p resolution, and they can last over a minute. Other than that, another feature that I personally found quite impressive is the fact that you can also edit an existing video through the use of different text commands. VIDU has the ability to maintain visual consistency, and not only can you generate videos with different cinematic and visual styles, but you can ask for as intricate details as you want, and VIDU will deliver. Look at this demo video that truly blew my mind, which was generated by the prompt, extreme close-up with a shallow depth of field of a puddle in a street, reflecting a busy, futuristic Tokyo city, with bright neon signs, night, lens flare. The only problem? Same as KLING. Google has not released VIDU publicly yet, and it is only available for demos through a waitlist. You can try it out by visiting Google's test kitchen, signing in with your Google account, and clicking the Join the Waitlist button. VIDU. Another Chinese competitor on the list, other than KLING, is VIDU, which is only available in China, till now. So, don't mind the Chinese prompts, but let us look at this short video that shows some pretty impressive demo videos by VIDU. There is not a lot of public information about VIDU yet, as it is not publicly available. But from what we know, VIDU is able to generate 1080p resolution videos of up to 16 seconds with a single prompt. Moreover, VIDU is a diffusion model, which is built on a self-developed visual transformation model architecture by the name of Universal Vision Transformer, or UVIT. Because of this, VIDU has the ability to generate scalable and dynamic videos, which includes both realistic and imaginative videos, as well as understanding professional photography techniques to generate the perfect video. OpenAI SORA. Any video about generative AI is not complete without mentioning the industry leader, which is none other than OpenAI. And of course, they were among the very first ones to develop a text-to-video generator called SORA. That is actually where the hype of video generators started, just like they started the AI chatbot hype by the release of ChatGPT. OpenAI itself describes SORA as an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions, just like this video of all these paper airplanes on their homepage. With SORA, you can generate videos that are up to a minute long, while fully maintaining the visual quality and your prompt, no matter how long and descriptive your prompt gets. And when I say that, I really mean as long as you want. Look at this famous demo clip on their website. This video looks really dynamic and smooth, right? Well, let us see all the information in the prompt that was used. A stylish woman, a Tokyo street, warm, glowing neon and animated city signage, a black leather jacket, a long reg dress, black boots, black purse, sunglasses and red lipstick, walking confidently and casually, damp and reflective street, creating a mirror effect of the colorful lights. Many pedestrians around. Yes, all this information was in the prompt, and you can see how the video reflects every single detail. And for me, the most impressive part is how it generated the confident but casual walk so perfectly. Also, with SORA, you can generate as complex scenes as you want, with as many characters, any type of motion, and accurate details, because the model doesn't only work on your prompt, but also how those items work in the real world. A nice example of this is this video generated by the prompt, a Chinese Lunar New Year celebration with Chinese dragon. Believe it or not, the time is not far when everyone will be able to create any kind of content, even movies, merely through the power of AI, without ever having to buy all the movie equipment or hiring any cast members. It's quite mind-blowing when you think about it. But this isn't the far-fetched imaginary future. This has already started happening with people creating AI-generated videos of influencers to gain clout on social media. So, which video generator mentioned in this video has impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments down below and let's discuss.